Hello, my dear student. In previous video, we have discussed the three-level laser system, rate equation in three-level laser system. In that video, we have discussed the rate equation in four-level laser system. What is meant by laser rate equation? That laser rate equation is the change in population of atoms of that energy levels. Okay, in that first point is a 2 energy level, then previous lecture 3 energy level. That change in population, what is meant by rate equation? That change in population of atoms of energy levels of lasing medium under the action of pumping, that is the rate equation, that is the change in population of atoms in energy levels. Okay, then rate equation first, in that previous point first we have discussed the rate equation in two level laser system. Then previous video we have discussed the rate equation in three level laser system. In that video we have discussed the rate equation in four level laser system. In that four level laser system we consider the four levels E1, E2, E3 and E4. In that E1 is the ground state, E4 is that the pumping level, or this is known as the excited state, and that E3 and E2 is the upper and lower lasing level. That E1 is the ground state, E4 is the excited, or this is the pumping level, and E2 and E3 is the upper, lower and upper lasing level, and that is E3 is also known as a metastable state. Then in this four level laser system, then that in four level laser system the atoms in ground state, that is the number of atoms, then that incident the photon energy on that atom jumps into the excited state, that means jumps into that energy level E4. But in that energy level E4, that is the lifetime of atoms is 10 raised to minus 8 second. This item will stay in that excited state. That means pump that atoms just jumps into the excited state, and atoms ह्या excited state वरती or that pumping level वरती फक्त किती सेकंद स्टे करता, किती सेकंद राहता, फक्त 10 raised to minus 8 second. Then more 10 raised to minus 8 लाईफ टाइम कंप्लीट झाला की ते कुठे येणार, मेटास्टेबल स्टेट कडे, कुठे येणार मेटास्टेबल. बट हे जे ट्रान्झिशन आहे फ्रॉम E4 टू E3, that is the non-radiative transition. That means इथे कोणतीही एनर्जी तो इमिट करत नाही. That E4 जे ट्रान्झिशन आहे E4 टू E3, that transition is a non-radiative transition. This transition is a non-radiative transition. That means इथे तो कोणतीही एनर्जी इमिट करत नाही. कुठे E4 टू E3. Then इथे मेटास्टेबलचा इथे काय होतो की इथे त्याचा लाईफ टाइम 10 रेस टू मायनस 8 सेकंद थांबतो आणि नंतर तो कुठे येतो, मेटास्टेबल स्टेटकडे येतो. अँड दॅट ट्रान्झिशन इज अ नॉन रेडिएटिव्ह ट्रान्झिशन. दॅट मीन्स इथे तो कोणतीही एनर्जी इमिट करत नाही. बट द लाईफ टाइम ऑफ दॅट मेटास्टेबल स्टेट इज 10 रेस टू मायनस 3 सेकंद, आणि हा जो टाइम आहे तो -8 पेक्षा कसा आहे, जास्त आहे. मग ॲटम्स कुठे इथे मेटास्टेबल स्टेटवरती किती त्याचा टाइम किती, लाईफ टाइम किती आहे, दॅट इज द 10 रेस टू मायनस 3 सेकंद. And that lifetime will complete, the atoms goes back to the energy level E2, and this lifetime of that energy level E2 is also less, that is nearly equal to 10 raised to minus 8 second, and that complete that lifetime, that atom goes back to the ground state. But in that energy level E3 to E2, that atoms is emitted the photon energy, and that is the laser transition, and that is the laser light. But in that energy level E4 to E3, that is the non-radiative transition. That means it is a ते काय करत नाही, एनर्जी इमिट करत नाही. बट इन दॅट मेटास्टेबल स्टेट ॲटम्स किती वेळ थांबतात, दॅट इज द लाईफ टाइम 10 रेस टू मायनस 3 सेकंद, की तो 10 रेस टू मायनस 8 पेक्षा कसा आहे, जास्त आहे. इथे ॲटम्स काय होता, दॅट विल बी द ॲटम्स विल अक्युमुलेट, नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स विल बी अक्युमुलेट. then another photon energy that incident on that photon, another photon energy incident on that atoms in metastable state, then that atoms that complete their lifetime, that lifespan, and return back to the energy level E2. But इथून मेटास्टेबल स्टेटकडून एनर्जी E2 कडे येताना ते काय करता, लाईट काय करता, फोटॉन लाईट विल बी इमिट अँड दॅट फोटॉन लाईट इज नोन ॲज ए दॅट लेझर लाईट, दॅट लेझर लाईट. देन दॅट पॉप्युलेशन इन्व्हर्जन कुठे होतं, दॅट E3 टू E3 अँड E2 लेवलला, अँड दॅट परत इथे आले E2 लेवलला आले, पण इथे काय होतं की त्यांचा लाईफ टाईम इथे सुद्धा काय 10⁻⁸ सेकंद की तो काय खूप कमी आहे. अँड दॅट लाईफ टाईम कम्प्लीट दॅट लाईफ टाईम नंतर परत ॲटम्स कुठे येतात, ग्राउंड स्टेटकडे येतात. दॅट इज द वर्किंग ऑफ दॅट 4 लेवल लेझर, दॅट इज द 4 लेवल लेझर सिस्टीम. बट आपल्याला काय बघायचं, इन दॅट पॉईंट वी हॅव डिस्कस द रेट इक्वेशन इन दॅट 4 लेवल, दॅट इज द सिम्पली वर्किंग. We know that point is previously point discussed, that is a 4 level pumping system, same working in that 4 level laser. But we have discussed the rate equation in that 4 level laser system. That rate equation, okay, and we have discussed the only two state, that is the E3 state and E2 state. That is the decrease in number of atom in E3 state, and next are the change in number of atoms in level E2. ओके, इथे याच्याबद्दल तर E3 state and E2 state. E3 state is known as a metastable state. Then we have discussed the rate equation. Okay, we have used the two terms, that is the R1 and R2. R1 is the pump rate and R2 is also a pump rate. But that R2 denotes that atom jumps into the excited state, goes back to the E3 state and goes back to the E2 state. That rate is known as a R1, that is the pump rate. That means R1 is the E1 state 2, E4 state 2, E3 state 2, E2 state. That is the R1, that is the pump rate, and R2 is the E1 state to E4 state to E3 state. This is the pump rate of that E1 to E4, E4 to E3, and R1 is the E1 to E4, then E4 to E3, and lastly E3 to E2. Then that R2 denotes the rate at which atoms are pumped to the level E4, to the level 1, that ground state E1 to that incident energy that atom pumps into that energy level E4, and from there make that is non-radiative transition. This in between E4 and E3, this is a non-radiative transition. That means कोणती एनर्जी तो काय करत नाही, इमिट करत नाही. कुठे येतं, non-radiative transition to the level E3, and that in that effect it R2 that represent the rate at which atoms are arrive in E3. atoms कुठे येतात, arrive in E3, आणि परत कुठे येतात, yes, we have discussed this R2, and R2 is the E1 from E1 to E4 and return back to the E3. That means that R2 denote the rate at which the atoms are pumped, that means incident energy, and jumps into that excited state and complete that lifespan and return back to the E3, and that is the metastable state. That's why that is the rate, that E1 to E4 to E3, and that R2 represent the rate at which atoms are arriving in E3. Then next R1 is that atom's incident energy jumps into the E4, then return back to the E3 and return back to the E2. That is the cycle E1, E4 to E3 to E2. That R1 denotes the rate at which the atoms are pumped into the level E2. That is the R2 is the pump to the level E4, and then non-radiative transition is returned back to the E3. But R1 is determined to the R1 denotes the rate at which the atoms are pumped to the level E2. That means that atom pumped into the E4, then complete their lifetime and return back to the 10 raised to minus 3 6. It is a metastable state that complete their lifetime, it return back to the E2. That rate is the R1 rate. Okay. Then we have discussed the only that two level E3 and E4. That is in that E3 and E2 level, that is a laser transition will be available. Laser transition will be available. Then that the population inversion condition in between, पॉप्युलेशन इन्व्हर्जन कंडिशन कोणामध्ये असणार आहे, E3 आणि E2 मध्ये असणार आहे. कारण की इथे जास्त वेळ ॲटम्स काय करतात, स्टे करतात. पॉप्युलेशन इन्व्हर्जन इज नोन ॲज दॅट N2 इज ग्रेटर दॅन, जिथे नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स ग्रेटर असेल दॅट, आणि जिथे नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स काय असणार आहे ग्रेटर, इन दॅट एनर्जी लेवल विल पॉप्युलेशन विल बी अचीव. ओके, मग आता इथे काय बघणार आहे की ती पॉप्युलेशन इन्व्हर्जन कंडिशन बिटवीन कुठे असणार आहे, E3 आणि E2 मध्ये. मग आता आपण फक्त 2 लेवलचा विचार करणार, कुठे E3 आणि E2चा. बट E3 वरती काय होत आहे, द डिक्रीज इन द नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स in level E3 has following components. And first component is the stimulated transition to E2, which produces the lasing light given by equation W32N3 minus N2. First component is the stimulated transition to E2, and we have discussed which level, E3 level. Okay, atoms will be increasing or decreasing in which level, E3 is the metastable state. And first component, the stimulated transition to E2 produced by lasing light is given by W32N3. आता इथे काय होतं की ट्रान्झिशन W32 इज द ट्रान्झिशन. बट ट्रान्झिशन कसं होतं, ॲटम्स कुठे मूव्ह होता, एनर्जी लेवल E3 कडून कुठे होता, E2 कडे. कुठून होता, E3 कडून कुठे येत आहे, एनर्जी लेवल E3 कडून कुठे येत आहे, E2 कडे. बट आपण डिस्कस कोणत्या लेवलचं करतोय, डिक्रीज इन नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स E3. दॅट्स वाय दिस क्वांटिटी विल बी निगेटिव्ह. वाय, बिकॉज वी विल डिस्कस द एनर्जी लेवल E3, आणि E3 वरील ॲटम्स काय होत आहे, डिक्रीज होत आहे. दॅट W32 इज अ ट्रान्झिशन फ्रॉम ॲटम move from energy level E3 to E2. That's why this will be negative. Why? Because the number of atoms will be decreases in energy level E3. Okay, then second component, the spontaneous emission to the level E2 given by N3A32. This quantity also a negative, because transition from energy level E3 to E2 and energy E3 वरल्या atoms काय होता, will be decrease. Then the third one are the process R2 populates the level, and this is the R2 will be positive, because R2 process are E1 to E4 and E4 to E3. That's why we have discussed the E3 level, and are there that rate which atoms move from E1 to E4 to E3 म्हणजे काय होता की increase in atom in E3. That's why this R2 populates the level. That means R2 quantity will be positive, and the rate equation for N3 may be written as dN3 by dt. First R2 will be positive minus first component, that is the W32 N3 minus N2 will be negative, and last N3A32 will be negative. It will be equation number 1. N3A32 equation number 1. Then next, the change. This is the decrease in the number of atoms in energy level E3. Then next we have discussed the energy level E2. The change in the number of atoms in level E2 has following components. First component are the stimulated emission the stimulated emission from level E3 is given by W32 N3 minus N2, and this quantity will be W32. We have discussed the change in number of atoms in which level? E2 level, and that equation W32, that means this transition from atoms move from E3 to E2. that's why E2 वरती एनर्जी लेवल E2 वरती atoms काय होता है? इंक्रीज होता है. that's why this term will be positive. Then second, the spontaneous emission from level E3 given by N3A32, spontaneous emission A32, N3A32, and it also be that quantity is positive. Why? Because this transition from A3 to E2, that means energy level E2 वरती items काय होता है? Increase होता है, and we have discussed that energy level E2. This also है positive. And third component is the process R1 which pumps atoms from level E1. That R1 will also be positive because R1 E1 to E4 to E3 and lastly atoms कुठे येणार? E2 वरती, and that means number of atoms in energy level E2 will be increased. Okay, that's why R1 will be increased. And fourth component, the spontaneous emission to level E1 given by N2A21, and this will be the negative. Why? Because this transition from atom energy level E2 to E1, that's why energy level E2 वरती atoms काय होणार? इथे decrease होणार, that's why it will be the negative. And the rate equation for N2 can be written as that dN2 by dt is equal to R1 plus W32 N3 minus N2 plus N3A32 minus N2A21, equation number 2. This is the equation number 2. The next step, in steady state condition, that dN3 divided by dt is equal to 0, there is no change, and dN2 by dt is equal to 0. Then equation 1 and 2 becomes equation 1 and 2, dN3 by dt is equal to, and dN2, that term will be 0, and therefore that's R2 minus W32 N3 minus N2 minus N3A32 is equal to 0, equation number 3. And equation 2 are that R1 plus W32 N3 minus N2 plus N3A32 minus N2A21 is equal to 0, equation number 4. N3A32 minus N2A21, equation number 4. Then next step, add equation 3 and 4. Add equation 3 plus 4 and therefore that R2 minus W32 N3 minus N2 minus N3A32 plus R1 plus W32 n3 minus n2 plus n3a32 minus n2 a21 is equal to 0. Then cancel out, this term cancel out, that is n3 minus a32, n3 minus, sorry, n3 a32 minus, and that plus will be cancelled. Then w32 n3 minus plus get cancelled. Remaining term r2 plus r1, r2 plus r1 minus n2 a21 is equal to 0, because all remaining term will be cancelled, and therefore r2 plus r1 is equal to, this minus transform that side, it will be the plus n2 a21. Therefore r2 plus r1 is equal to n2 a21. Okay, that since r2 is greater than r1, then we write r2 is greater than r1, that means r1 will be neglected, that r2 is equal to n2 a21, and therefore n2 is equal to, this will be the multiply, transform that side, it will be the divide, that r2 divided by a21, equation number 5. n2 is equal to r2 divided by a21, equation number 5. Okay, then using equation 5, that means value of n2, equation 5, equation 3 becomes, and equation 3 are that equation r2 minus w32, this, therefore r2 minus w32 in bracket n3 minus n2, and n2 are the r2 divided by a21 minus n3 a32, n3 a32 is equal to 0. Then we solve that terms, all that terms, this minus this plus, that two term transform that side, and that will be the r3 is equal to, this will be minus w32 n3 minus r2 divided by a21 plus n3 a32 is equal to 0. Okay, then r3 is equal to, multiply w32 in bracket, then w32 n3 minus w32 r2 divided by a21 plus n3 a32, sorry, not equal to, this equal to, no, then therefore this equation number this using equation 5 in equation 3, this term will be r2, this r2 minus, this is the r2 is equal to, this is r2 is equal to, okay, then therefore r2 is equal to, in that first two term, in that first and third term, that n3 will be common, and that n3 will be common, remaining w32 plus a32, w32 plus a32 in n3 minus w32 r2 divided by a21, okay. The next step, this term will be minus, transform that side, it will be the plus, then r2 plus w32 r2 divided by a21 is equal to w32 plus a32 n3, sorry, in this term will be the r2, then common r2 will be common, then remaining term 1 plus w32 divided by a21 r2 is equal to w32 plus a32 n3. Okay, we have calculated the n3, then n3 is equal to that term, it will be the multiply, transform that side, it will be the divide, then r2 in bracket 1 plus w32 divided by a21, and it will be the divide, that's why 1 divided by w32 plus a32. Okay, then next This is the equation number 6. Equation number 6. Equation 5 and equation 6. Then, therefore, next step, N3 is equal to R2 in bracket. It will be that solve that bracket, and it will be the A21 multiplied by 1. Therefore, A21 plus W32 divided by A21. In that next bracket, 1 divided by W32 plus A32 as it is. Then next bracket. Then therefore, then multiply this R2 and that 2 bracket, and that term are the R2 A21 plus W32 divided by A21 W32 plus A32. Okay. The next, subtracting both sides. Subtracting both sides by N2, and N2 are the equation number 5. N2 are the R2 divided by A2 1. Subtracting N2 on both sides, and therefore N3 minus N2 is equal to R2 A21 plus W32 divided by A21 W32 plus A32 minus N2. This term N3 minus N2 as it is equal to R2 in bracket A21 plus W32 divided by A21 W32 plus A32 minus N2. N2 are the R2 divided by A21. Okay. The next step, therefore N3 minus N2. Then R2 will common. Then R2 in bracket A21 plus W32 divided by A21 W32 plus A32 minus 1 upon A21. Then therefore N3 minus N2 is this A21 will common, and it will be the divide R2 divided by A21 common. This A21 plus W32 divided by W32 plus A32 minus 1. The next step, that bracket will multiply that 1 and taking LCM. That will be the LCM. This, therefore N3 minus N2 is equal to R2 divided by A21. Then next bracket, that A21 plus W32 multiply by that bracket into 1 A32 divided by W32 plus A32 as it is. It will take LCM term. Then multiply by that minus in bracket. Therefore R2 divided by A21, that A21 plus W32 minus W32 minus plus minus A32 divided by W32 plus A32, and that cancel out, plus minus get cancelled, the remaining term. Therefore N3 minus N2 is equal to R2 divided by A21, remaining term A21 minus A32 divided by W32 plus A32, R2 divided by A21 in bracket A21 minus A32 divided by W32 plus A32. Okay. Then therefore N3 minus N2 is equal to, then A21 in the numerator, A21 will be common. Then R2 A21 divided by A21 in bracket 1 minus A32 divided by A21 whole divided by W32 plus A32. Okay. This A21 get cancelled. Then remaining term, that is the n3 minus n2 is equal to r2 in bracket 1 minus a32 divided by a21 whole divided by w32 plus a32. Equation number 7. Last one, equation number 6, and these are the equation. n3 minus n2 is equal to r2 1 minus a32 divided by a21 divided by w32 plus a32. Equation number 7. From the above, from equation number 7, is evident that n3 minus n2 is greater than 0. That means the population difference between energy level E3 and E2 is greater than 0 if that A21 is greater than A32. That means that transition from energy level E2, atoms move from energy level E2 to 1 is greater than 3 to 3, energy level 3 to energy level 2, as we know that A21 is equal to 1 divided by 2 to 1. In problem, this formula we have seen, A21 is equal to 1 divided by 2 to 1. That is the time of tau is the time that atoms move from energy level E2 to E1, and A32 is equal to 1 divided by tau 32. Okay, but that A21 is greater than A32. That means 1 divided by tau 21, that is A21, is greater than 1 divided by tau 32, taking reciprocal, and that tau 3, and therefore taking reciprocal, and that tau 32 is greater than tau 21. That means that time the transition will be A2 to E2 to E1 will be greater as compared to energy level E3 to energy level E2, but that time taking reciprocal, that with the help of this value and taking reciprocal, and according to that equation, that tau 32, that means that time of atoms move from energy level E3 to E2 will be greater from that time atoms move from energy level E2 to E1, and this is the necessary condition for population inversion. This is necessary condition from population inversion, that is the tau 32 is greater than tau 21. Okay, this is the necessary condition for population inversion. Okay, but the above that condition implies that the atoms dropping in energy level E2 level by spontaneous emission, that must be removed at a faster rate, in arrival rate. That means that condition implies that the atom dropping into level E2, atoms dropping level into E2 by spontaneous emission must be removed at faster rate than arrival rate. Dropping rate will be faster, and म्हणजे जायचा रेट डिक्रीज होण्याचा रेट फास्टर, आणि येण्याचा रेट कसा आहे, येण्याचा रेट अरायवल रेट कसा आहे, कमी आहे. ओके 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 and that next part of that 4 level laser system, next part of that point 4 level laser system we have discussed in next video. Okay.